Hello everyone, welcome back. So I've gotten a few requests on how I use and take care of my cast iron pans. So in today's video, I will be sharing all that I know about cast iron, including the benefits, usage, cleaning and restoring cast iron cookware. Now I prefer cast iron because it's chemical free. So they are a great alternative to non-stick pans since most contain PFCs or perfluorocarbons, which is a chemical that is linked to cancer, developmental problems and liver damage. In addition to being chemical free, it also increases iron content of food significantly in comparison to other cookware. And they are extremely durable. They can last you a lifetime if you take proper care of them. These days, most cast iron pans are pre-seasoned, which means that seasoning is already done for you and you can start using them right away. So let's learn a little bit about what is seasoning. So it is a process in which cast iron skillet is washed, dried, and coated in some type of oil and then baked in the oven on the highest temperature for about an hour upside down. This is known as seasoning. Now the purpose of seasoning is to create a non-stick surface that prevents the food from sticking and also prevents the pan from rusting. So I have the pre-seasoned ones. I've been using them for quite some time now. So some of them have gotten a little bit rusted. So in this video, I will also show you how to restore a rusted cast iron pan in just a few minutes. So first of all, how I use it. Well, some people think they are just great for searing meat or non-vegetarian food, but they are equally as awesome for roasting veggies. Lately, I've been using cast iron as my go-to everyday pans for making rotis, chillas, fries, roasting veggies, or just about anything. But it is very important to preheat the cast iron pan and make sure that it's hot enough before you get cooking. Iron is a very good conductor of heat. If your cast iron pan is not hot enough, it will cause the food to stick. The key is to let the food sit and resist the urge to move it around. And the best part that I like about cooking in a cast iron is that it can be finished off in the oven. Now, how to clean and care for it? The easiest way to clean your cast iron pan is scrubbing with a gentle brush and hot water and mild dish soap. You can use tough side of a sponge or Scotch-Brite. Now some people say that the soap removes your seasoning, but it has never been an issue for me. After washing, I dry it completely on the stove to evaporate any excess moisture and prevent rusting. Once it's fully dry and still warm, I apply a very thin protective layer of oil along the inside of the pan and then heat it for just a minute or two until the oil begins smoking. It is very important to bring the oil to its smoking point so that it doesn't turn rancid. Now finally, we're going to talk about how to restore a rusted cast iron pan. So this pan I've been using for quite some time and it needs restoring. Let me show you how to restore your cast iron in just a few easy steps. So the first step is to clean it thoroughly. Take the rust off with the help of a steel wool or gentle scrubber. Using a mild dish soap, give it a nice clean and then rinse it off with hot water. After you have thoroughly cleaned it, dry it off completely using a dishcloth or a paper towel. And then apply a coating of oil, which I am just using canola oil here, but you can use any oil, on both sides using a paper towel. And then the final step is to place it upside down on the highest temperature in the oven for about 50 minutes. I heated the oven up to 450 Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. If you don't want to use an oven or have an oven, you can do the last step a couple times on the cooktop. You just want to be very careful though and handle the hot cast iron with an extra caution and care. After about an hour, I took it out and you can see it looks almost brand new. When your cast iron is properly seasoned like this, the food will not stick. I hope you liked today's video. If you did and want to show your support, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.